Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10. The system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components, click Windows Installer. Open Turn off Windows Installer, change to Not Configured, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.